If your iPhone is charging slower than usual, it can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, there are a few simple things you can check and tweak to get that charging speed back up. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy solutions to help you troubleshoot and fix slow charging on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check your charging cable and adapter wattage. Slow charging can often be traced back to your charging cable or adapter. If either is faulty or not powerful enough, you may notice slower speeds. First, make sure you're using Apple-certified chargers and cables for optimal power delivery. Then try switching to a different adapter or cable to see if the problem goes away. After that, test with an 18-watt, 20-watt, or even a 25-watt adapter. Using a more powerful adapter can really boost your charging speed. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Sometimes dust or debris in the charging port can interfere with the connection and cause slow charging. Start by turning off your iPhone before cleaning the charging port. Then grab a soft brush or use some compressed air to gently clear out any dirt or lint from the port. Be careful not to damage the port while you're cleaning it. Solution 3. Enable airplane mode while charging. When your iPhone is connected to the internet, receiving notifications or using wireless features, it can slow down the charging process. Open your iPhone settings, then toggle on airplane mode to disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other wireless connections, which will help your phone charge faster. Leave your iPhone in airplane mode until it's charged up to your preferred level. Solution 4. Turn off low power mode. Low power mode can help save battery, but it can also slow down charging. Open the settings app, tap on battery. If low power mode is on, toggle it off. Now your charging speed should pick up again once low power mode is disabled. Solution 6. Check for iOS updates. An outdated version of iOS can cause performance issues, including slow charging. Open the settings app, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it to fix bugs and improve overall performance. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to solve your iPhone's slow charging issue. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments if these tips have worked out for you or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful guides.